I am sure most of you face this during preparing your projects. It sometimes gets a little frustrating to set page numbers the way you like. Now, we have this button under Insert section which we use to place page numbers onto pages. This looks good, fine, but whenever you would like to remove the page number from certain pages, the first page, which is most probably a cover and should be without a page number, it just does not work because the page numbers are interconnected. So in order to do this, we need to tell Word that these are separate sections. We do this by going to Layout tab and adding a page break for the next page under Section Breaks. As you can see, we now have separate footers. Footers for Section 2 and Section 1. The next step is to disconnect the two sections. As you can see, we need to click Link to Previous and disable the link between footer sections. Now, deleting the page number from the first page should not break the page number of the following page. Then we go to Format Page Number section and start from the page number we like. That's all. A little frustrating, but it is the way of Word's dealing with multiple situations where page numbers are set differently. We have set up page numbers as we like.